Hello everyone, our recipe today, this is not pizza, but like this is in something like pizza, something like pancake, this something in the middle, because I have also my friend Elias, he asked me, I like also recipe fast I not can sit and make pizza and this all, and I like something fast. And also Sven asked me, and also Yasin. Like that today I go make this recipe. This is not take any time and fast, and everyone can make it in home and taste very beautiful. We go see what we need, we go start together. Okay, I have here 3 eggs. This is too easy, not. I have 5 mushroom. I have, because I like to have also a lot of color in it, but you also can use only 2. I use half for the 3 colors, the paprika. I have with me here 250 white flour, white normal flour. I have here cheese, but I already bring it all the cheese because I feel it more tasty. I also have here mozzarella, I have here olives, and I have here with the teaspoon 1 spoon oregano and 1 spoon salt. And also I have salami. This is all what we need. We need also 90 milli oil, because we go use oil in. And also I have a pan here, because after I cut the mushroom, I go do it a little bit in the pan. First thing you go do, you make your oven hot in 180 degrees till this is take in half an hour till 45 minutes. And also you have this in every oven. You do inside this butter pepper, you do it in like this, and I go cut everything, yeah, and also come back for you, and we start together. Okay, after already I cut everything like that. This is the mushroom, I cut it like that. I cut all the paprika like that. I did here 80 milli oil, and here this the 3 eggs. This is the salami, I cut it small, the mozzarella, the olives like you see. And also in this pan I did a little bit oil, because I go already bake the mushroom a little. Like that, we go do the mushroom here. This is still need to be, I not make the fire high, because not to make much noise also in the video, I leave it. And here we have the blender. This is the 3 eggs, we do it inside. This is too easy recipe, not take time. This is can be take a little bit time, because I record the video, and this is the oregano with the salt. I do it in. This is here the oil. We do all this oil also in. Now the oil here go hot. We start to go do our mushroom in, because when the time we finish the dough we make, this is ready. Okay. And also I take cup of the milk, like this one, and I start do the milk in. One and do it everything inside the blender. Two. This is half kilo milk, like 500 milli milk. And also, if you make the recipe for you easy, not make you crazy, and because have a lot of people like it with gram, yeah. If you not like work with gram, use 1 cup for all the recipe. You do 2 milk, and you do 1 cup flour and 1/4 cup flour, 1 1/4 cup. And also the oil, you do it 1/4 cup. If you not like the recipe with gram. This is too easy. We do everything in here. We close it and mix it a little. And after that, I start to go inside with the flour. Here first, we need to do this like that. This is the flour. I start to do it in. Like this. This recipe, if you make it, you'll like it very much. I did all the flour in. Can also the mushroom, we don't also mislead it. Okay, after we do the flour here, we close and we mix it all. Now this is more than enough. This is now like that our dough. This pieces, we leave it only take color. It will still go inside the oven, but we do a little color. Okay. Now we close in it, and now we take this one. We go with all our liquid in. This is too easy, and you can make it very fast, not take any time in you. After we do it like that, our oven hot, and we start to take the mozzarella. We do only half the mozzarella we have in. Like that. Why we do this all pepper? Because this is not stuck down. You can take it easy out. I take the half mozzarella and start do salami. And also you can do whatever you like. This is not need to be salami. You can do whatever you like. This is about also your taste. What you do up, what you get. I do it everywhere. And my oven hot now. I do paprika, the paprika everywhere. And I go with olives. This is not take time with you. This is too fast, you can make it. See like that. Start to take cheese. This is not take any time with you. Last video I make, this is a chicken cordon bleu. I think if you not see it, you go see it. This is also very good recipe and you like. My friend Anwar, I hope he make it. If he make it, please leave for me in the comment how this is go with you. And start to go with the mushroom. The Egyptian always work with hand, without any gloves, without anything. This is normal in our culture. We try to make it piece of art. If you make it, I think, for your husband, for the children, love it very much. Okay, and we take the rest of the salami. Do it again. The rest from the paprika. You start to feel it look very nice now. I think if you try this recipe, you'll love it and you'll always make it. We take the rest for the mozzarella. Ooh la la. I did everything I have inside. The rest of the cheese. Now only I wash my hands. Okay, now I go inside the oven from half hour till 45 minutes. Can be after half hour you start look in it. If the up you feel it is done and look like red up and good, you try to feel it. If not, hold the cheddar, leave it for 15 minutes extra. I go do it now, and after when I take it out, I come back for you. Okay, this is take with me 45 minutes. We go see the result together. Ooh la la. Wow, 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 wow. This look very beautiful. And you can too easy, after you have it like that, you can with the pizza cutter, you go cut it. And if you're not, you can already do it also with the knife, like this. And like that. Still too hot. Normally I wait a little. Okay, this is our recipe today. I hope you enjoy it, and I see you next dish. Bye bye.